Girl, it's about that time for you and I to get this right. Lay your head on my bed, then pushing your face in a pillow. You remind me of my G, so hop on it and just ride with me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It feels like I haven't sat down and filmed a makeup tutorial in forever, so I'm super excited to be back. I've been sick, if you don't know. If you didn't watch my last vlog, I had like a complete relapse after that video. Like, I thought I was getting better, but no, I was not getting better. I got worse after that video, so I think now I am finally coming out and getting a little bit better. So I'm really missing doing makeup videos, so I am back. I'm pushing through. I'm gonna try to do a little slay today. I'm doing a get ready with me. So enough chit chat, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So this hair I'm wearing is from Klaiyi hair, and this is what it looks like. This is what the hair came in. I got a 20-inch closure and 3 bundles of 26 inches, and you guys know I love a long black wig. This one looks just like a lot of long black wigs that I have, so I decided that I'm going to try to make it a little bit different by doing somewhat of like a blunt cut on it. I'm going to keep the length and everything, but I'm just going to make sure the ends are blunt because that'll be something different. It'll, you know, differentiate this wig from all the other long black wigs that I have. This is their Brazilian straight hair, and as you guys can see, it's so smooth, and the way it's coming out this flat iron though, like, this is really nice. So I'm finished with hair. I was gonna do like a baby hair right there, but this is giving me such Barbie vibes because of the blunt cut, because you know Barbies have like that super blunt hair. And yeah, I'm not gonna do the baby hair. I'm just gonna leave it like this. This is really cute, and this hair is so nice. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for makeup. I never know what I'm gonna do for makeup. So we're just gonna go with it. I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. decided that I want to do a really glam eyeshadow. So I'm going to go into my Modern Renaissance. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use a lot of colors from there, but I am going to be using a Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metals and Smoldering Satin. So I'm going to just go through it, and I'll leave all the colors I use down in the description box. Eyes, I use my Balm Cosmetics eyeliner, and then I put on my Bebella Cosmetic lashes in the Style Day. So now we're going to get into the foundation routine. highlighter, and as usual I'm using my Ruby Kisses. And then I don't know what I want to do for lips, so we'll just see. So that is it for hair and makeup. Definitely check out Klaiyi hair. The information for the hair will be down in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. And also follow me on Instagram at ChristyJ. And I will see you guys in my next video.